So this is the video on commission. Is it? Yeah, commission. So let me write this down on the top. Why is my something wrong with my button? Here we go. So commission. How do we calculate commission? Commission equals a percent of your sales, right? And then short. This is what we're going to use. P times S. Right. So actually, it should be a little p. So what jobs earn commission? Real estate agents are notorious for commission. Salespeople, notorious. So it's mostly pretty much, not pretty much, but a lot of salespeople earn commission. Agents, you make a movie, I'm your agent. You're an actress. You're a football player, I'm your agent. I'll make a commission of whatever you make. Okay, so there's that. What else earns commissions? I'm pretty sure shoe salespeople, pharmaceutical people, like I said, real estate agents. What else? Yeah, people who say in the old days, I used to sell encyclopedias. Not that I was ever successful, but I got a commission out of that. Okay, so I think it's easier if we go through the problems. So the first 6 problems we did in class, so you don't have to do it again, but I'll just go over again. A car salesman earns $1,800 per month plus 7% commission on the cars that he sells. His sales were $85,000 this month. How much money did he take home? Well, for sure, here's take home. Let me write take home here. Right, so whether he sells 0 cars or 20 cars, he's still taking $1,800 a month. That's his salary, right? His wages. Plus, because $1,800 a month is definitely not enough, the dealership says, you know what? Out of your total sales, we'll give you 7%. So this particular month, he sold $85,000 worth of cars, which is not that much, but 7% of that goes to him. So we have to find out what 7% of 85,000 is. So commission equals percent times sale. Commission is what we're trying to find out, how much he took home, right? The percent, the part, right? So in order to find a commission, we're going to use the percent, 7%, which we're going to change to the decimal format. And multiply that by the total sales. So that's basically the same thing as saying you have $85,000 in your pocket, and I'm going to take 7% away from you. How much would you give me? Well, hopefully you don't walk around with $85,000, but $85,000 times 0.07 equals 5,950. So his commission is 5,950. So he's going to take home the $1,800 that the store pays him, the dealership pays him, for him to be there every day from 8 to 5, plus a little commission. And the commission that he makes, he's taking home 5,950, right? So we add up, and we get he takes home 7,750. Pretty sure that's a lot of commission, and I'm pretty sure that number is not accurate, but it's just an example. I should double check that to see what the real commission is. 2, Sony works as a as a furniture salesman, and again he earns a base salary of $350 per week. So this guy takes $350 per week, no matter what. The $350 again, like previous question, is not enough to make a living. So the store gives him 6% commission on sales. So this particular week, he sold $3,750 worth of furniture, desks, tables, etc. A part of that goes to him. So we're trying to find a commission, so that stays. The percent is 6%, or as a decimal, 0.06. His total sales was 3,754. So what's 6% of 3,750? 3,750 times 0.06. That's $225. So along with his weekly salary of $350, they're going to give him an extra $225. So how much does he take home? $575. It's a little bit more respectable and helps him live a more comfortable life. Okay. 3. Veronica works at a future shop and she earns $10.50 an hour plus 6% commission. All right, so this one is somebody works by the hour. And last week she worked 40 hours. What is she going to take home if her sales is also $2,050? So she gets paid by the hour plus she gets a little commission. So let's find out her hourly wage, her hourly total, I'm sorry. So she makes $10.50 per hour. She worked 40 hours, so let's multiply by 40. And $10.50 times 40, oops, $10.50 times 40 is 40, oh my god, 10.5 times 40 equals 420. So just by coming to the store every day, working 8 hours, she's going to take $420. But we have her commission, so again, the store pays her a little extra. So we're going to calculate the commission. So the commission is the percent of her sales, right? Part of her sales, percent of her sales. So in this case, we're interested in the commission. The commission is 0.06, or the percent is 6%, or 0.06, and the total sales is $2,050. So what's 6% of $2,050? That's $123. So she made $123 in commission. I'm going to put 123 here. Added that to her 420 that she made by working 40 hours. She's going to take home $543. William earns straight commission. He's a real estate agent, so people don't pay them by the hour. They pay them by how much, by the sales, right? You sold a house, you get money. You don't sell anything, you don't get paid anything. So last month, he actually made $29,135.04. It was a 3% commission. So what was, I guess, if you think about it, what was the value of the property that he sold? So he sold a property, right? And from that property, they took 3% and gave him $29,135.04. What was the value of the apartment or the house that he sold? That's what we're looking for. So commission equals percent times sales. In this case, we have the percent, which is 3% or 0.03. We don't know how much he sold to get. Sales is what I'm looking for. The commission, I know what he took home. He took home $29,135.04. So in this particular question, I'm interested in how much was the sale. What did he have to sell and get in order to take home $29,135.04? Well, one-step equation, divide this by 0.3. Divide this by 0.03. So S, the value of the sales that he did was 29,135.04 divided by 0.03. The value of the property sold, 971,168. So that was the value of house, apartment, office building. Well, not office building, probably a house. Probably one of the houses that when you look out the window from our class. One of those. Okay, 971,168. That might be even too cheap. Okay, but that was the property. So that's how much he sold in order to take that home. Okay, Sophia earns straight commission again. So we know she took home $1,909.60 in commission. Her sales were $38,192. What was the commission rate? What was the percent? What was the commission rate that they give her at the store where she works? They give her 3%, 4%, 4.25%. They give her something, right? So substitute accordingly. I know what she took home. She took home 1,909.6. The percent, I have no idea because that's what I'm looking for. How much were sales? 38,192. And that's our setup, right? So in this time, we're not looking for commission. We're not looking for the sales. We're looking for the percent. Well, easy enough. Divide both sides by 38,192. 38,192. And P, our percent, and we're going to divide 1,909.6 divided by 38,192. And you're going to notice that it's 0.05, which is in decimal format. When you change that to percent, you can multiply that by 100 or just move the decimal 2 over, and that becomes 5%. Okay, so she actually gets paid 5%. So she works at the store. They don't pay her by the hour. Okay, you don't. So basically, she's in a scenario where she doesn't sell, she doesn't make any money. So she has that extra motivation every time a customer walks in the store that she has to be on top of everything to make the sale. Brian is a salesman for a wholesale computer part company. Again, he says he earns straight commission, meaning that's it. He sells, he makes money. He doesn't sell, he doesn't make money. Straight commission. No hourly wage, no monthly wage, no weekly, no any of that. He gets 4% from whatever he sells. All right, so again, start with this. We know that he gets paid 4% or 0.04. We know his sales, which is 82,968, and we're interested in the commission, right? How much did he take home, the commission? So 0.04 times 82,968, and that's going to give, so he took home $3,318.72. Okay, that's straight up easy commission problem. Then you have, then I asked you as well to do this, plus the first 6 questions on the next side, on the flip side. Real estate, he sold a house, he gets 1.25 commission. How much did she take home? Again, there's this standard question. Commission is what I'm interested in, so C is my unknown. P is 0.0125, right? 1.25% as a decimal. And this S, the sales, was $350,000. So if you sell a little tiny apartment for $350,000 and they give you 1.25%, how much would you take home? You would take home $3,937.50. You still have to pay taxes, but that would be how much they would pay you for selling their house or whatever. Again, John is selling a set of knives, and he makes 9.5% commission. That's not bad. Okay, probably the commission is a bit higher here because selling knives, it's not like selling a house, right? It's definitely less. So again, commission is percents times sales. Commission is a percent, which is 0.095, right? We move the decimal to the left. And the sales, this particular week, he sold $3,250 worth of sales of knives. 0.095 times 3,250. His check is $308.75. Okay. 3. Danielle sells beauty supplies and she earns $450 a week, okay, plus 7.25 commission on sales. During one particular week, she sells $895 worth of beauty supplies. How much commission does she make for that week? Well, just a commission. Again, P times S. So we want to find out how much she took in commission. Her percent is 0.0725. The amount of sales was $895. So just on that, 0.07725 times 895 equals, so unless I did something wrong, it looks like $64.89. Okay, and how much money does she earn before taxes? So she's going to take $450 plus $64.89. Okay. So before taxes, sorry, 450 plus what? 64.89. So before taxes, her checks looks mighty good. 514, not mighty good, but 514.89. But if she pays anywhere near the taxes that I pay, I'll point about 34%, which about, I think, it's close to whatever a lot of people pay. She's going to take about $360 home after taxes. Yeah. That's Uncle Sam. 4. Roberta makes $9 an hour. She sells jewelry and she makes 12.5% jewelry. An 8-hour shift for that particular day. She worked from 8 to 4 or 8 to 5 with an hour lunch break. She sold $380 worth of jewelry. So how much is going to take home that particular day? Well, 9 hours times 8 hours, $9 times the 8 hours. So she's going to take $72 for being at the store for 8 hours. Now, in terms of commission, well, what did she sell? So it's P times S. The commission is what we're interested. So P is 0.125, and the sales was $380. So what's 12.5% of 380? That's her commission for that particular day is $47.50. So we have 72 plus $47.50. This is before tax. $119.50. So she would be taking home pre-tax $119.5. Probably take tax away from that. Leave it with what, around $80, $90, about there. Okay. That would be her pre-tax money for that particular day. Real estate agent, he made $6,875 for selling a house. He got paid 2.5% commission. What was the price of the house? Well, C equals P times S. Commission, I know what it is. He took home $6,875. The percentage, I do know. We're going to write that 0.025. But the price of the house, I have no idea. That's the unknown variable for me. Divide by 0.025, 0.025. And the value of the house that he just sold, 6875 divided by 0.025 equals, so the value of the house, $275,000. Pretty sure that commission is a little bit too much. 6. Let's see, you made $890.50. That's how much you took home, so that's my commission. The percent, my rate, that's my unknown. How much did I sell? $6,850. What was my commission? Commission seems high here. So in order for me, what percent was I awarded? So let's divide that by 6,850. 6,850. So divide that. 890.5 divided by 6,850 equals, so P equals 0.13, which you're going to multiply by 100, or just move the decimal 2 spaces to the right. So that particular store, they give you a commission rate of 13%. Okay, and that's that.